I don't know how you sustain the clucking that long. My cheek would get sore. Abby, be serious about life.
Remember the fire?
Yeah,
Yeah, it got really smoky a couple days ago, so she's probably
Edgewood fire.
just clearing that out.
Yeah,
Been coughing the last
I hope so. Abby, you're gonna fall over.
the walk too.
Good. Oh, Paige, I'm gonna hide behind you. I'm scared.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey.
Good, thanks. Oh yeah, yeah. Get out of the sun.
No kidding.
She should be good now.
Just keep it going. Hi. She's back. So cool.
Well, he's not like jumping and thing. He's literally going to fall forward. Because when he gets to jump again,
Do you want to not can her because she's?
I don't know. She's coughing really bad. Yay.
I think we should stick to trot. Abby.
Yeah, I was only smoky for 1 minute.
Yeah.
yeah, no. And I was like, well, yeah, that's going to happen.
Yeah. Maybe we just trot today.
I don't even know if I should even try.
No, you do, because this is helping her get the stuff out of her lungs. But just, can you stay in the tack, please? You're starting to fall on her neck. Just do the work in the trot. And then if teacher Michaela can come tomorrow, she can ride Frida tomorrow, okay? Why don't we take it one day at a time? I will say you still got 5 more minutes before you start preparing for trot. So she's done coughing. Maybe you can can her. Maybe not. Yeah. Yeah, let's err on the side of caution. No cantering today. What do you think, Abby?
I don't know.
I think
We should probably,
No, I think no cannering. It's fine, Abby. It's not like you just shined the workout and didn't come, all right?
Well, it's not like I'm shining it, but
What did I just say?
I'm saying that I think I should help Tanner. I should ask him.
I said you should not canner, all right? Stay in the tack. Get the contact back in the reins. Let's go. At least the truck still looks okay. Julia's coming. Thank you. There we go. Gang's all here now. Yep. Ooh, they're all mares too. This is great.
Is she usually this lazy?
No. She jumped for the first time yesterday since her incident, so.
I'm saying, dude, better than a month ago.
Yeah, he got here.
She's
I was
probably
tapping her, getting no reaction. Like, when you tap her,
she's like that now.
She used to like scoot off.
That's on her left butt cheek. She's built up the callus on her right butt cheek, so if you tap her on her left, she'll scoot off until like who knows what.
I didn't think about that. It's a little numb on the.
I know.
You want to go no stirrups now? No. Okay.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lovely. Was she jumped yesterday? Yeah, she fell. Okay.
Hey, Paige, how bad was the smoke 2 days ago when I ate with 5 stars?
It was like 135 or something.
What was?
The smoke had it.
Oh no, it wasn't. Like around here, it only got to maybe. It said like the Purple Air app was only. It was never saying about like 40. But my weather app was saying 98 at one point.
Oh,
But
mine said 135.
Because I looked at it, my landscaper told me, because he was right in the area when it happened, PG&E.
Yeah. Was it from like a gas?
A wire. So it was a spark from the wire, and there's hella crackly stuff. And that's what
fire looked like it was like I was watching like the live stream. It looked like I was following the power lines like down.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Really?
Well, yeah, like just the fire pattern. Like the fire was like right next to the actual power lines.
Uh-huh.
She looks really uncomfortable. Can I just walk her for like a minute?
Yeah. 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 Walker. Just walk her.
Yeah. So
Was she coughing that bad in the walk?
Yeah, she was
I
coughing.
want to have Kendra ride her too, just make sure she feels
She even coughed a little bit last time.
I don't know what that feeling was.
Okay. Just walk her. And then we'll put.
Feels like she can barely can her street.
Yeah.
She just looks like very agitated.
Yeah. Okay.